Hey, da ding dong, a lang a lang a lang, boom ba do, ba do ba do ba ba. It's a rainy day on vacation in Vermont, and as if my mom's lake cottage weren't quaint enough with all this furniture and kind of looks like it's like Bates Motel. But with the rain, I mean, that's just perfect. You can hear it on the roof, and it's like a free version of those nature sound CDs that you get to try to put you to sleep. I mean, I've been falling asleep all day. I fell asleep when I was driving earlier. That was scary. And most people don't like it, like a rainy day on a vacation. I love it. Just eat some more food, watch some more television. I watched a really long and boring movie today and I didn't care. It was that Cinderella movie that Drew Barrymore did in the 90s. It was awful. I watched the whole thing. The whole thing. It's a rainy day. Why not?
Shaboom, shaboom. Ya la 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 la. Shaboom, shaboom. Ya la 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 la. Shaboom, shaboom. Ya la 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 la. Shaboom.